Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, it's Christmas time and I've been so busy, I'm just now getting around to setting a Christmas table. I hope you all didn't give up on me. Today, I've set a plaid and poinsettia tablescape. I'm using poinsettia dishes and mixing Christmas plaids with a few snowmen thrown in for good measure. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a Christmas plaid. It has white, greens, and reds in it. I picked this up at Big Lots last year. I'm going to mix my Christmas plaids. I have these chargers. They're a tartan, but I'm going to turn them in a diagonal. I do that sometimes when I'm mixing various plaids. I have these Christmas dishes with poinsettias. They're Totally Today is the brand, but I think they look totally vintage. We found these at a thrift store, and they've got poinsettias with a little green band, and I think they sort of have a vintage flair. And I also have the salad plate. I'm going to be using my red-handled flatware today. And for the stemware, I've got my red cut glass. I got this a number of years ago at Walmart. And I have some ruby glasses with a gold rim. They were a Goodwill find. And I have these green mugs. I got these years ago at Kroger's of all places. And I've just put a little cinnamon stick in there. I've got my red cupcake stands, and I've put a little Christmas tree on there. Continuing to mix my Christmas plaids, I have some cute plaid Christmas crackers. I believe I got those at Marshall's. And for the dinner napkins, I'm using red with a cute little Christmas tree napkin ring. And as a final touch, more plaid, I have these cute little Christmas stockings. I believe they're actually for flatware, but I really don't like my flatware all jumbled together, so I just put a few little candy canes in it, and it gives us one more little plaid touch. And they were a thrift store find. For this whimsical Christmas table, I've selected one of my floral designs from my store. I have this little arrangement with this sweet snowman. He's perched in the center with his little hat and scarf. I think he's so cute. And I've just used some flocked evergreen with snowflake ribbon and berries. And I've perched it on a white milk glass cake stand. And on each side, I have candles with these little candle shades. I found these just a couple days ago at a thrift store. I thought they were cute. I think these have been out for ages, but I've never had any. I picked these up for $1. They've got Christmas trees and snowmen, and I've just perched them on some green Christmas candles. And I thought they were cute. I really didn't buy them for this table, but I knew I would use them for something. And at this end of the table, I have a cute little holly dish. And this is a sweet little snowman. He's one of my favorites. I got this several years ago at TJ Maxx. He has a vintage vibe. I think he's so cute. Holding his little candy cane. And here at this end, I have a poinsettia little plate. It and the holly or a set, I believe I found those at Goodwill. Here in the South, we say poinsettia, but if you're feeling bougie, poinsettia. And I've also got a sweet little snuffer. This one has holly on it. I like little candle snuffers. You don't see them very often, and I think it looks vintage, but it isn't. I believe it came from a thrift store as well. I haven't used this tablecloth before, but I love all the white in it. A lot of my plaid Christmas tablecloths are heavy on the red and the green, but I think the white in it gives it a more whimsical feel. I've selected one of my green pictures. This one has a hobnail pattern, and I've had that a long time. Not sure where that came from. I've got a little vintage dinner bell. It has holly pattern on it and says Merry Christmas. I believe I picked it up at an antique mall, and I have a collection of dinner bells. When my nephew was little, Logan, it was his job to ring the dinner bell. He always wanted to ring it, so we put it by his place setting, and when he was in a high chair, we set it on his high chair. Here in the back, I've got a hobnail sugar and creamer that are in the milk glass. They were a thrift store find. And at this corner, I've made a tower with my cake stands. I've used a square one on the bottom, and I've got the middle one is kind of makes me think of a snowflake pattern. I like to use it at Christmas time. And the top one is a Mosier cake stand, little cupcake stand. It's a reproduction, but the bottom two I got at an antique store. And I put just some little brownie bites, frosted them with red icing, and they're just a quick, fun little treat that we like to have at Christmas time. And they smell good too. Stay tuned, guys. I'll have a few more Christmas tables coming out just in a couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye now.